Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about BFSK modulator and demodulator. In this video, we are going to discuss about spectrum of BFSK signal. And this is a spectrum of coherent BFSK signal. So we know that the BFSK signal is given by S of t is equal square root of 2 ps ph of t cos of 2 pi fh t plus square root of 2 ps pl of t cos of 2 pi fl t. Here fh is the high frequency signal and fl is the low frequency signal. And comparing this equation with binary PSK equation, and this is the equation of the binary PSK, that is S of t is equal B of t into square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct, where fc is the carrier signal or the carrier frequency. So now here it may be noted that this equation is identical to BFSK signal. The binary PSK signal is identical to binary FSK signal. In binary PSK equation, B of t is a bipolar signal, whereas in binary FSK signal, the similar coefficients pH of t or PL of t are unipolar. pH of t and PL of t are unipolar signal in BFSK expression. Hence, let us convert these coefficients into bipolar form, so that relation are. Hence, let us convert these coefficients into bipolar form, so that are pH of t is equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 pH dash of t, and PL of t is equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 PL dash of t, where pH dash of t and PL dash of t will be bipolar signals, that is positive voltage level and negative voltage level. Plus 1 mean positive voltage level and minus 1 mean negative voltage level. And substituting this pH of t and PL of t values into equation 1, we get S of t is equal square root of 2 ps into pH of t is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 pH dash of t into cos of 2 pi fh of t plus square root of 2 ps PL of t is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 PL dash of t into cos of 2 pi FLT. So multiplying square root of 2 ps cos 2 pi fh of t within the bracket term, and the second term also multiplying square root of 2 ps cos of 2 pi flt within the bracket term, we get the expression is S of t is equal square root of ps by 2 cos of 2 pi fht plus square root of ps by 2 ph dash of t cos of 2 pi fht plus square root of ps by 2 cos of 2 pi flt plus square root of ps by 2 pl dash of t cos of 2 pi flt. So RHS term of this equation is also arranged as square root of ps by 2 cos of 2 pi fht plus square root of ps by 2 cos of 2 pi flt plus square root of ps by 2 ph dash of t cos of 2 pi fht plus square root of ps by 2 pl dash of t cos of 2 pi flt. Hence, we can write the power spectral density of the binary FSK signal, and this is the time domain representation signal. So find out the frequency domain representation signal from this equation. So that frequency domain signal is the power spectral density function of the binary FSK signal. So that is S of f is equal square root of ps by 2 into del of f minus fh plus del of f plus fl plus ps tb by 2 into sin of pi fh tb by pi fh tb whole square plus ps tb by 2 sin of pi fl tb by pi FLTB whole square. And this is the equation of the power spectral density expression of binary frequency shift keying signal. This is the equation of the power spectral density of the binary FSK signal. So in this equation, we can observe that the first term represents the single frequency impulse at high frequency FH, and the second term represents the impulse at low frequency, and third term and fourth term represents the identical to binary PSK signal. And the graphical representation of the power spectral density of the binary FSK signal is this one. And this is the graphical representation of the power spectral density function of a binary frequency shift keying signal. FH is the high frequency and FL is the low frequency. So high frequency minus low frequency is equal to FB. So this is the concept of power spectral density of the binary FSK signal. So next we are going to discuss about bandwidth of binary FSK signal. In the above diagram, the power spectral density of the binary FSK signal, we can observe that the width of one lobe is 2FB. Now here in this graphical representation, this is the first lobe and this is the second lobe. The width of the one lobe is 2FB. The width of one lobe is 2FB. So now here there are two lobes. Now here there are two main lobes. So the two main lobes due to FH and FL are placed such that the total width due to the main lobe is 4FB. So therefore, the bandwidth of binary FSK signal is 2FB plus 2FB is 4FB. If we compare this bandwidth with that of binary PSK signal, and the bandwidth of the binary PSK signal is 2FB and the bandwidth of binary FSK signal is 4FB. So therefore, comparing the bandwidth of binary FSK signal and binary PSK signal, we get the bandwidth of binary FSK signal is 2 times of bandwidth of binary PSK signal.